Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker. Today we're visiting an apartment very close to Taipei Building MRT, which means you can basically walk to NTNU or you can take MRT for 2 or 3 stations and go to NTU. So this room is standard double bedroom with your own private bathroom. So let's go check it out. Alright, so this is the room. So this room is a double bed with your own private bathroom. So when you just arrive in the room, you can see big shelves at here, and you can put your personal belongings such as bowls, like glasses, cups, mugs, etc. And for this room is spacious and good for 2 people. There's a standard double bed and 2 little shelves beside it, and a hair dryer and a fan and a mirror. Right here is the desk. It's the desk and chair, and this thing is the TV screen, small one, and here's the remote control, the Wi-Fi, kettle, and toilet is right there. And here is a big window and the open wardrobe. So the AC on top, window AC. And you can see today is a little bit cloudy and rainy day, so the sunlight is not that good, but normally the sunlight should be pretty good. So let's check out the bathroom. So it's the bathroom, pretty concise. So here's the toilet and the shower, the sink, and you can see the shower head is attached to the sink. It is kind of common in Taiwan if you have a private bathroom in your room, and sometimes you'll find this kind of a design. And here's the mirror and the shelf right here. And on top is the fan. Alright, so from this angle, let's see the room. Okay.